This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello there, welcome once again to Art Attack, the big art show. Now, do you ever get hungry when you're painting or drawing? Well, I've solved the problem. Paintings that you can eat, using paint that you can eat. Well, it's jam actually, but look at all these different colours. You've got the yellows, you've got the greens, you've got the reds. And to do this, you need a slice of white bread. You cut the corners off, cut 2 circles in the middle, and you get something that looks like that. And now, the messy bit. You get 2 small dollops of red jam and just paint it on to the middle like that of little round circles there. Now the good thing about this is it's very messy, and all you do afterwards is lick your fingers. So I'm going to put those to one side now, and then you get some red jam and you paint on to the triangles and cover them completely. That's it, just slop it on, get it right to the edges. Use that one for that. There's just really slop it on there, right to the corners. So it's completely covered. And put those to one side as well. You also need 4 small slices of bread and cover them in peanut butter, and 2 rolls, cut them in half and cover them in green jam. Well, you can get some lime marmalade or gooseberry jam. Then, the clever bit. Take a cottage loaf. That's one shape like this, round at the bottom with a dollop on top, and cut a slice out of the middle. So you've got that shape. Now, another messy bit. Get some this lime marmalade, green jam, just smear it on the top like that, right across the top. And then you get another dollop of it, smear it right across the bottom, just literally scooping it out now onto the bread. It's right to all the corners. And so you've got 2 stripes of green on it. Just patch that corner up there. And then get some strawberry jam. And a big scoop right along the middle. So you've got 3 stripes effectively. You've got a green one, a red one, and then a green one. That's it, right along the middle like that. Just pat it out. Then you put a big dollop of it across the middle like that. And can you guess what I'm doing yet? There it is. Now just put that to one side like that. Carry it carefully. Put my board to one side. And then you bring in your 4 slices, complete with peanut butter, of course. Another 2 slices up there. You bring in your 4 half slices of rolls. And now your 2 triangles that you painted red with strawberry jam. And to complete it, you've got the cottage loaf on the top, together with 2 eyes. And yes, you've guessed it, a turtle sandwich. Kawabutty.
The head again. Kawabutty, nice idea. Do it for a party and eat your masterpiece. Actually, I've done one of them, you know. I modelled it on myself. I call it head butty. You get it? Head butty. It's like a butty with